Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what interesting hairstyles are we gonna create today. So just make the net out of your hair and then just twist and turn your hair, roll them up in a beautiful pattern in this manner, get them out in this direction, and these are gonna look so pretty style. Cool, right? Further here again you have to just twist your hair and get them rolled in this form. You have to get them attached in this manner and get these beautiful patterns made. You have to tie them up and tuck them in this way, beautifully secured and made in this form. Yeah, you have to get your hairs out and these are gonna look absolutely beautiful. Further here you have to get the bubble sheet wrapped, attached to the close of your hair part, and then further you have to get some part in this manner and then just try to make the braids in this position and layer. You have to make it in this form. Cool, right? Now let's find out what are we going to do here. Again you have to get the hairs like this and get this braid made. Further you have to get the hairs out using these accessories and then you will end up getting a beautiful and lovely hairstyle like this. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, this is gonna look so appealing and adorable. You can just tie them up into a braid like this and get these beautiful beads attached. Further here just twist your hair in this manner and get these beautiful patterns made. Get your hairs out and in a layer like this from one end to another. This is gonna look pretty cool. Now here again you have to get the hair and then just roll your hair up in this manner and beautifully secure them in this way. Yeah, you have to just tie them and get them beautifully secured in this way. You have to just arrange them in this pattern and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now let's see again what are we up to. You have to just get the hair rolled like this, get them arranged beautifully in this manner. You have to secure them up in this way and just tie your hair further and get these beads attached. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see here. You have to just roll your hair up in this way and get them beautifully secured in this manner. You have to just arrange them in a layer like this and beautifully made in this form. Now let's see from one end to another. You have to make it in this form. These are gonna look absolutely amazing. Keep on proceeding and let's move ahead. Here you have to tie your hair further and get the beads made. Then roll them up using these rubber bands and then get them tightly arranged in this form. Further you have to make a bun out of it and arrange them up in layers in this way. Cool, right? You have to just place these clutches as well. Now here again what are we up to? You have to get these hairs rolled in this manner. Now just attach them up in this way. You have to get them beautifully made in this manner and now tuck them aside. Yeah, this is gonna look beautiful. I hope guys you have enjoyed our video.